This is the Liftgate motorcycle carrier slash deck I've been working on. Just wanted to show you how it's operating. I still have a little bit of work to do to it. I'm gonna add lights, finish welding it, add some points to hook the tie down straps to. But just want to show the operation. Has this nice little hand worm gear winch. Has a 5/8 hex, so you can use a drill with a socket in it. I put some pins in here to hold it in the up position, just so I wasn't relying totally on the cable. And then you just simply lower it. There's not much effort involved in lowering it down. It's about 400 revolutions. So one of the reasons I purchased this particular shelter is because it was set up with the brackets for the axles, high-speed axles that the military used, and I use those for attachment points for this lift. You can use a drill if you want to, but I like going for the simple, not relying on power tools, batteries, electric winches. There it is in the down position. Now you have the deck. So to use the deck, you want to raise this back up. So the tops of these rails actually hit on the top of that box that the shivs are in, and that's how you know that you're all the way up and the pins will align. Right there. So this is the deck. Let's put your staircase right here. Gives you a good amount of room to walk out, operate the door. Still need to make some kind of latch to hold it up. That's the driving position. I do have another set of holes on the bottom of these, so when it's in the flat position, liftgate position, you can pin it so it will not hinge. Put up the front wheel chock. Take a little break halfway up, hook the back tire, there it is at the top. Set the pins in. It's a nice snug fit. You can still access the shelter with the motorcycle on it. It is kind of tight, but if you need to, you can get in the shelter. Oh, that was it for the motorcycle liftgate deck. Get a nice little workout. You can carry your motorcycle around with you.